Hello students, welcome back. So we are doing heights and distances exercise 22a from trigonometry, isn't it? And in our previous videos we have completed till question number 5, and today we'll start right from question number 6 onward. Okay, so let's begin. So this is question number 6 from exercise 22a. A boy 1.6 meter tall is 20 meter away from a tower and observes the angle of elevation of the top of the tower to be, first question is 45 degree and the second case is 60 degree. Okay, question number 2 is 60 degree. Find the height of the tower in each case. So there are two cases, means two questions. Okay, so let us do this question. Let us assume this to be the height of the tower. A boy is standing here and the distance of the boy from the foot of the tower is 20 meter. This boy is 20 meter away from the foot of the tower. Okay, from here to boy is 20 meter. Now the boy is 1.6 meter tall. That means the height of the boy is 1.6 meter tall. Now the boy observes the top of the tower. Okay, the boy observes the top of the tower, and the angle of elevation in the first case is 45 degree, isn't it? So let us draw a straight line parallel to the base. So this line is drawn parallel to the ground. Okay, so angle of elevation in the first case is 45 degrees, isn't it? First case. I am doing question number 1, that is 45 degree. Now we are asked to find the height of the tower. Okay, so this is A. Let us assume this to be A, B, C, D and E. Now you can see B, E and C, D are parallel to each other. B, C and D, E are parallel to each other. And B, C and E, D are equal, and C, D and B are equal. So this is a rectangle, isn't it? In rectangle B, C, D, E. Okay, B, C, D, E. You can see CD equals to BE, isn't it? This CD length should be equal to BE. BE equals to 20 meter. This is given, isn't it? 20 meter. And ED is the height of the boy, which is equal to CB. We don't need this right now, so but we won't write that. Okay, if you want you can write that, but right now we don't need it, so we don't write it. Oh, we need this. Let us write this. ED equals to BC, isn't it? BC equals to 1.6 meter. Okay, right now we don't need it, we'll need it later on, so I wrote this. Now in triangle ABE, okay, in this triangle, in triangle ABE, we know that BE is 20 meter. Okay, and we know the angle AEB is 40 degree. Now let us find AB. Okay, since angle AEB, E should be in the middle. Okay, AEB, E should be in the middle. Angle E is 45 degree. Angle E is 45 degree, and BE is known to us. BE equals to 20 meter. 20 meter. Now let us apply tan theta and find the value of AB. Okay, since we know that tan of angle AEB, this angle, tan of angle AEB equals to perpendicular. When you talk about this angle, when you see this angle, perpendicular is AB and base is BE, isn't it? So perpendicular AB by base BE BE, or tan of angle AEB is given to us, that is 45 degree, equals to AB. AB is not known to us, so we write AB upon BE is 20 meter. BE is 20 meter. BE, CD and BE are equal. CD and BE are equal 20 meter. Okay, now let me continue here. Tan 45 means 1 equals to AB upon 20. AB upon 20. Since the value of tan 45 degree equals to 1, okay, the value of tan 45 degree is 1, so instead of tan 45 I am writing 1. So 20 into 1 is 20, therefore AB equals to 20 meter. We found AB equals to 20 meter, isn't it? So we need the height of the tower. Height of the tower is AC, isn't it? Therefore height of the tower equals to AC. AC is the height of the tower. AC means AB plus BC. Now we need this BC, isn't it? So AB is, we know that AB is 20 plus BC is ED, isn't it? BC and ED are equal because this is a rectangle, so 1.6. So 20 plus 1.6 is 21.6. 20 plus 1.6, okay, 0.0. 6 plus 0 is 6. Point we write as it is. 1 plus 0 is 1. This 2 comes down. So 21.6 meter. In the first case, when the angle of elevation is 45 degree, the height of the tower is 21.6 meter. Okay, I hope you got this. Now let us do the second case when the angle of elevation is 60 degree. The same question, but the angle of elevation in this case is 60 degree. So we will find the height of the tower in that case as well. Okay, now let us find the height of the tower when the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay, the second case, angle of elevation is 60 degree in this case. So this is question number 2. The rest of the thing is same. Okay, in rectangle BCDE, this is the rectangle. CD should be equals to BE, these two are lengths, and ED should be equals to BC or CB, equals to 1.6 meter height of the boy. Okay, now the angle of elevation is changed, that is 60 degrees, isn't it? So in triangle, now we talk about this triangle. Okay, ABC, ABE. Okay, in triangle ABE, angle AEB equals to angle AEB equals to 60 degree. Okay, angle AEB, E should be in the middle. Okay, angle E is 60 degree, and BE is known to us, that is 20 meter. BE equals to 20 meter, isn't it? So we apply tan theta here and we find the value of AB, the same thing as we did earlier. Since tan of angle AEB equals to perpendicular is AB by base is BE. So tan of angle AEB is given to us, angle AEB is 60 degree, equals to AB is not known to us, so we write AB. BE is known to us, B is 20. Okay, we write 20 instead of BE. Now the value of tan 60 is, value of tan 60 degree equals to √3. We must know the value. Okay, so instead of tan 60 I write √3 equals to AB upon 20. Now AB equals to 20 into √3. We cross multiply this, isn't it? So 20 into √3 is 20 √3 meter. So this is, now let us put the value of √3. 20 is here. √3 means 1.732. Okay, the value of √3 is 1.732. So let us multiply this. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 4, 1 in hand, 2 1s are 2, plus 1, 3. So there is 0, 20 means we put 0 here. So we put a decimal point before 3-digit number, isn't it? Because there is a decimal point before 3-digit, 1, 2, 3. So I put decimal point here also, 1, 2 and 3. So this is 34.64. 0 has no value after decimal point. Okay, we found the value of AB. Now height of the tower is AB plus BC, isn't it? That is AC. Height of the tower equals to height of the tower equals to AB plus BC plus BC. What is AB? AB is 34.64. 34.64 plus BC is equal to ED, that is 1.6. 1.6. Now we just add this. We can add 0 here after decimal point. 0 has no value, so 4 plus 0 is 4. Okay, 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 means 2. I write 2, 1 in hand, decimal point. 4 plus 1 5. 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. This 3 becomes 3, isn't it? 36.24 meter. So this is the height of the tower. Let me add this here, okay, for you if you did not understand this. 34.64 plus 1.6. 1 is before decimal point, 0.60. Okay, 4 comes down straight away. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2, 1 in hand, so decimal point comes here. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. This 3 we write here, 36.24. Okay, so 36.24 is the height of the tower when the angle of observation was 60 degrees. I hope you got this. Now let us do the next question, question number 7. Now let us do question number 7. The upper part of a tree broken over by the wind makes an angle of 45 degrees with the ground, and the distance from the root to the point where the top of the tree touches the ground is 15 meters. What was the height of the tree before it was broken? Okay, now let us do this question. Suppose this is the tree, okay, and this is the total height of the tree before it was broken by the wind. A strong wind blew and the tree is broken in such a way that its top touches the ground, okay, making an angle of 45 degrees with the ground. Okay, the top of the tree is broken and it touches the ground, making an angle of 45 degrees with the ground. Now the further information the question has given to us is the distance where the top of the tree touches the ground from its foot is 15 meters. Are you getting me? The distance where the top of the tree touches the ground from its foot is 15 meters. We are asked to find the total height of the tree before it was broken or after it was broken. Okay, after it was broken means you need to add this and this. Before it was broken means this total height, isn't it? Because this upper part is bent and it touches the ground here, isn't it? So after it was broken or before it was broken, the total height is this plus this or this plus this. Same thing, the upper part is this. So let us do this. Now suppose this is A, suppose this B and this is C. Whenever we write alphabet A, B, C, D to name any rectangular figure or a triangle, we always write in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, A, B, C or A, B, C, D, or if there are 5 sides then A, B, C, D, E. Okay, never in clockwise direction. We must keep this in mind. So we are asked to find AB plus AC, because AC is the upper part of the tree, AB is the lower part of the tree and AC is the upper part of the tree. AC plus AB gives us the total height of the tree, isn't it? So we are asked to find AB plus AC. Now in triangle ABC we have provided with the base and the angle, so we can find this by applying tan theta, isn't it? So let us do this. AB equals to lower part of the tree lower part of the tree and AC equals to upper part of the tree, upper part of the tree, okay. Total height of the tree means the total height of the tree equals to AB plus AC. We are asked to find this, okay. Now let us do in triangle ABC, okay. In triangle, this is what we are asked to find, total height of the tree, that is AB plus AC, lower portion of the tree plus upper portion of the tree. In triangle ABC, let's come back to the point. In triangle ABC, in this triangle, angle AC, C should be in the middle, okay. ACB, angle C is 45 degree. ACB equals to 45 degree, and BC is given to us. BC equals to 15 meter. 15 meter. BC is the distance where the top of the tree touches the ground from its foot of the tree, isn't it? So BC is 15 meter. Now let us apply tan theta. Since tan of angle ACB, theta is angle ACB, isn't it? ACB, theta means angle. Tan of angle ACB is perpendicular. When we talk about this angle, perpendicular is AB and base is BC. So perpendicular AB by base BC. Now tan of angle ACB is given to us. Angle ACB means 45 degree plus AB is not known to us. We write AB, BC 15, isn't it? So let me continue here. Tan 45 means the value of tan 45 is tan 45 degree means equals to 1. So instead of tan 45, I write 1. 1 equals to AB upon 15. AB upon 15. Therefore, AB equals to 15 ones are 15. AB means lower portion of the tree is found, that is 15 meter. Now let us find AC. You can apply Pythagoras theorem because perpendicular and base is known to us. Perpendicular is 15, base is 15. Since h square equals to p square plus b square, isn't it? You can apply this formula and find out the value of AC because AC is hypotenuse, isn't it? Or you can apply sin theta and find the value of AC, okay. So let us apply sin theta. Since sine of angle ACB equals to sin theta means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Some people have, isn't it? So perpendicular is AB upon hypotenuse is AC. So sine of angle ACB is given to us 45 degree equals to AB. AB is known to us. What is AB? AB is 15. AB is 15 and AC is not known to us. We are asked to find AC. Or sine 45 degree means 1 upon root 2, isn't it? 15 upon AC. Or AC equals to AC into 1, AC, we cross multiply AC into 1, AC equals to root 2 into 15, 15 root 2 meter. Now let me continue here. We put the value of root 2 or AC equals to 15 and the value of root 2 is 1.414, okay. The value of root 2 is 1.414 or AC equals to 15 4s are 60, 0, 6 in hand, 15 1s are 15 plus 6, 21, 1, 2 in hand, 15 4s are 60, 60 plus 2 is 62, 6 in hand, 15 1s are 15 plus 6, 21, 15 plus 6 is 21. So there is a decimal point before 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. We also put decimal point before 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3. So this is 21 21.21, because 0 has no value after decimal point, we don't write that. 21.21 meter AC. We found the upper part of the tree, that is AC 21.21, and lower part of the tree, that is AB, that is 15 meter. So total height of the tree is AB plus AC, isn't it? So total height of the tree equals to AB plus AC. Lower portion of the tree plus upper portion of the tree. This is AC, okay? AC. So what is AB? AB is 15 plus AC is 21.21. 15 plus 21.21, let's add up. 5 plus 1 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3, 36.21 meter. So the total height of the tree AB plus AC is AB is 15 plus AC is 21.21. This gives us, this number is after decimal point, so we write this as it is, 0.00, 15.00, isn't it? 0.00 plus 0.21 is 0.21. So these numbers are before decimal point, so we add up this with 15. 5 plus 1, 6, 2 plus 1, 3, 36.21 meter. Okay, I hope you got this. Let me add this if you don't know this. 15.21.21. So you can write 0.00 because 0 has no values after decimal point. So 1 plus 0 is 1, this 2 comes down as it is, 0.5 plus 1 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3, okay, 36.21. I hope you got this. Now let us move on to the next question. Okay, now let us do question number 8. The angle of elevation of the top of an unfinished tower from a point at a distance of 80 meters from its base is 30 degrees. How much higher must the tower be raised so that its angle of elevation at the same point may be 60 degrees? So let us first understand the question by a diagram. Let us assume this to be the height of the unfinished tower and this is the ground, okay? This is the height of the unfinished tower from here to here, okay? Now this is the point 80 meters away from the foot of the tower, 80 meters. This is the point 80 meters away from the foot of the tower. Now when one observes from this point to the top of the tower, top of the unfinished tower, the angle of elevation at this time is 30 degrees. Okay, angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Angle of elevation is 30 degrees. From this point, when the top of the unfinished tower is observed, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. And this point is 80 meters away from the foot of the tower. Now, the question is, what should be the new height of the what height of the tower must be increased? Okay, suppose this is the increased height of the tower, new increased height of the tower. So new height of the tower is from here to here, isn't it? So this is the increased height of the tower. So what should be the increased height of the tower so that the angle of elevation from the same point, from this point only, okay? Now let me draw this. I don't have a scale. You can see here. Now when the height of the tower is increased, let us say x meter, okay? When the height of the tower is increased x meter, the new angle from the same point is 60 degrees. As you increase the height of the tower, the new angle of elevation is increased to 60 degrees. Okay, I hope you got this. Now we are asked to find the increased height of the tower, this x. Now let us assume this to be A, this is B, this is B, okay, this is C, and this is D. Now we have two triangles, that is triangle BCD, triangle BCD, the smaller triangle. when we talk about triangle BCD, the angle D in this case is 30 degree. Okay, and when we talk about the bigger triangle ACD, when we talk about the bigger triangle ACD, angle D is 60 degree. Are you getting me? Yes. Now let's do this. BC is the height of the incomplete tower, isn't it? Height of the incomplete tower, and AB is the increased height of the tower. Increased height of the tower. Height of the tower equals to x, c. So let the increased height of the tower is x. Now in triangle, let us talk about the smaller one. Okay, first we will find AB first. AB, okay, old height of the incomplete tower. First we will find this, and then we will find the total height of the tower. AC will be the total height of the tower. After that we will subtract BC, we will get the increased height, isn't it? AC minus BC will give us AB, isn't it? So in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, angle CDB, okay, D should come in the middle. CDB equals to 30 degree. When we talk about the smaller triangle BCD, angle D is 30 degree. And CD equals to distance of the point from the base of the tower, isn't it? Equals to 80 meter. Now let us find BC by applying tan theta. Okay, since tan of angle CDB equals to perpendicular is BC. When we talk about this angle, perpendicular will be BC. BC by base, tan theta is perpendicular upon base, isn't it? Base is CD. So tan of angle CDB is 30 degree equals to BC is not given to us, so we write BC. CD is given to us, that is 80. So tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3 equals to BC upon 80. So we have BC here, or BC equals to 80 into 1, 80 upon root 3 meter. So this is equation 1. Okay, we found BC. Now we will find AC. Okay, in triangle ACD, angle CDA, D should come in the middle. Okay, CDA is 60 degree, and CD is common for both the triangles, so CD equals to 80 meter. So we apply tan of angle CDA, tan of angle CDA, or ADC also you can write, D should come in the middle. Tan of angle CDA equals to perpendicular is AC upon base is CD, isn't it? So tan of angle CDA, what is CDA? CDA is 60 degree. AC is actually AB plus BC, isn't it? We can write that AC means AB plus BC. That means we subtracted BC from AC. Okay, AC can be written as AC. Okay, let me first find AC and then I will subtract. Okay, AC upon CD. What is CD? CD is 80. So tan 60 is root 3 equals to AC upon 80, or value of tan 60 is root 3. Okay, tan 60 means root 3 equals to AC upon 80. Now let us cross multiply this. AC equals to 80 into root 3 is 80 root 3 meter. Now we found AC, we found BC. Now what will be AB? Therefore, increased height of the tower, increased height of the tower equals to total height AC minus BC, isn't it? Total height minus this height, AC minus BC. What is AC? AC is 80 root 3, 80 root 3 minus what is BC? BC is 80 by root 3, 80 by root 3. So let us take the LCM here. What is the LCM? 1 and root 3, root 3. So root 3 into root 3, 3 into 80, 240, isn't it? 1 into root 3 gives us root 3, so that means root 3 into 80 root 3. So root 3 into root 3 is 3, 3 into 80, 240 minus root 3 ones are root 3, so 1 into 80 is 80. So let me continue somewhere here. Okay, let me continue here. So 240 minus 80, 0 minus 0 is 0. 24 minus 8, 16, isn't it? 14 minus 8 is 6. This becomes 1. 160 by root 3. 160 by root 3. Now let us rationalize this. Rationalize means we eliminate the root from denominator. Okay, root 3 is in the denominator. So multiplying and dividing by root 3, we get 160 into root 3, 160 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3, 3. So 160 into root 3. What is the value of root 3? 160 into 1.732 divided by 3. I must erase this because I don't have any space left out there now. Now this is the increased height of the tower. Okay, I am finding. So 160 into this, 160 into this divided by 3. 16 2s are 32, 3 in hand. 16 3s are 48, 48 plus 3, 48, 49, 50, 51, 1, 5 in hand. Okay, now 16 7s are 7 6 are 42, 7 1s are 7 plus 4, 11, 112. 16 7s are 112, 112 plus 5, 117, 117, isn't it? 112 plus 5, 117. I write 7, 11 is in hand. So 16 1s are 16, 16 plus 11, 7, 2, that is 27. So we have 0 here, we must put 0, that 0. So we have decimal point before 3 digit, so let us put decimal point before 3 digit here, divided by 3. Okay, we have 3 in the denominator here, isn't it? So this is 277.12 divided by 3. So 277.12 divided by 3. 3 9s are 27. This is gone. Now 7 comes down. 3 2s are 6. 1. 7 minus 6 is 1. Decimal point 1. So I must put decimal point before I bring down this one. 3 3s are 9. 10 11 2. This 2 comes down. 3 7s are 21. 2 minus 1 is 1. Point is there, so we must put 0. 3 3s are 9. So this continues, isn't it? So this means 92.373 meters. This is the increased height of the tower. Okay, 92.373 meters. I hope you got this. Now let us do question number 9. Okay, now let us do question number 9. At a particular time when the sun's altitude is 30 degree, the length of the shadow of a vertical tower is 45 meter. Calculate. This is number 1 question. Okay, I will copy the next question later on. First, let us do this. At a particular time when the sun's altitude is 30 degree, the length of the shadow of a vertical tower is 45 meter. Calculate the height of the tower. Now this is very simple question, isn't it? So this is tower, this is the tower, and this is the ground. When the sun's altitude is 30 degree, this is sun, isn't it? When the sun's altitude is 30 degree means when the angle made by sun ray is 30 degree with the ground. Actually this is 30 degree, angle of depression is 30 degree. Okay, this is the ray of the sun. Angle of depression is 30 degree because this line and this line are parallel to each other, and this is a transversal. So these two are alternate angles. These two angles must be equal, isn't it? So this angle is also 30 degree. Okay, so when the sun's altitude is 30 degree, the height of the tower. So we are asked to find the height of the tower, and the length of the shadow of the vertical tower is 45 meter. So this is the length of the shadow, isn't it? From this point to this point. This is the foot of the tower, and to this point. Okay, this is the length of the shadow, that is 45 meter. The length of the shadow is 45 meter. So A, B, C. Now first, in triangle ABC, base is given. We need to find perpendicular, applying tan theta. Theta is 30 degree. So AB means height of the tower. The height of the tower is, we are asked to find, isn't it? Height of the tower. So AB. In triangle ABC, okay, BC equals to length of the shadow. Length of the shadow of the tower, and that is given to us 45 meter. AB equals to height of the tower. Height of the tower. We are being asked this. So angle ACB, angle C should lie in the middle. Okay, angle ACB is given to us, that is 30 degree. So we are asked to find AB, isn't it? Height of the tower. Since tan of angle ACB equals to tan theta means perpendicular upon base, and what is perpendicular? AB by base BC. So tan of angle ACB is 30 degree, perpendicular AB we don't know, so we are asked to find this. BC is 45 meter. Instead of BC I write 45. And what is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Value of tan 30 degree is equals to 1 upon root 3. Tan 30 means 1 upon root 3. AB by 45, isn't it? So AB equals to 45 into 1, 45. AB equals to 45 into 1, 45 upon root 3, isn't it? Cross multiplication. AB equals to 45 ones are 45 upon root 3. So this is the height of the tower. Now let us rationalize this. Rationalize means we need to eliminate the numbers having root from the denominator. Okay, so we multiplied and divide. We multiply and divide by root 3. Or AB equals to 45 into root 3 is 45. 45 root 3. 45 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 means 3. 3 1 the 3. 3 15 the 45. Or AB equals to 15 into, what is the value of root 3? The value of root 3 is 1.732, isn't it? Or AB equals to Now let us multiply this. 15 2 is 30, 0, 3 in hand. 15 3 is 45, 45 plus 3 is 48, 4 in hand. Okay, 15 7 is 7 5 is 35, 7 1 is 7 plus 3 10, 105. 15 7 is 105, 105 plus 4 109, 9, so 10 is in hand. 15 1 is 15 plus 10 25. So how many, before how many digits we should put decimal point? 1 2 3. Before 3 decimal point, and before 3 digits we need to put a decimal point, isn't it? Because we have a decimal point before 3 digits here. 1 2 3. So 1 2 3, 25.98. Therefore height of the tower equals to height of the tower, isn't it? AB is the height of the tower, isn't it? AB is the height of the tower, equals to 25.98. 25.98 meters. Okay, we don't write 0 after decimal point because 0 has no value. So this is question number 1 of 9. Now let us do question number 2. Question number 2 of 9, that is the length of the shadow of the same tower when the sun's altitude is 45 degree, number A, and number B is 60 degree. Two cases. Okay, first case is 45 degree and the second case is 60 degree. We are asked to find the length of the shadow of the tower. So BC is not given to us now. We are asked to find BC. BC means the length of the shadow of the tower. Because we found the height of the tower. Height of the tower is 45 root 3. So we did this earlier. 45 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. This is 45 root 3 by root 3 into root 3. 3 15 is 45. 15 into 0.1.732, isn't it? 15 2 is 30, 3 in hand. 15 3 is 45, 45 plus 3 is 48, 4, 15 7 is 105, 105 plus 4 is 109, 10, 15 1 is 15 plus 10 is 25. So 1 2 3, 25.98. This was the height of the tower we found earlier, isn't it? In the first part of this question, height of the tower AB 25.98. 25.98 means 45 by root 3. We found this 25.98 from 45 by root 3, isn't it? So height of the tower AB is 45 by root 3. So height of the tower is known to us, it is given to us 45 by root 3. So we are asked to find the length of the shadow of this tower. Okay, when the sun's altitude is 45 degree, means the angle of depression is 45 degree, which means the angle of elevation will also be 45 degree, isn't it? So in this case we are asked to find BC. Applying tan theta we can find this also. B in triangle ABC, this is ABC. Okay, ABC, AB equals to height of the tower, height of the tower, which is known to us, that is 45 by root 3, isn't it? This meter. So BC is the length of the shadow of the tower, length of the shadow. So this is what we are asked to find. And angle ACB is 45 degree in the first case. This is question number A. Okay, question number A. Question number A, when the sun's altitude is 45 degree. Now applying tan theta, since tan of angle ACB equals to perpendicular, when we talk about this angle, perpendicular AB by base BC. We are asked to find BC, isn't it? So tan of angle ACB means tan of angle 45 degree equals to AB is the height of the tower, 45 by root 3, 45 by root 3 whole upon BC. BC is, we don't know, we are asked to find BC. So this is tan 45 degree, isn't it? Tan 45 means 1 equals to 45 by root 3 into 1 upon BC, because we have 1 in the denominator of BC, 1 upon BC. So or BC equals to, I hope you got this BC by 1 just inverts and 1 goes to the numerator, this BC comes down to the denominator. Okay, so BC into 1 is BC, cross multiplication, BC into 1 is BC, BC equals to 45 by root 3, 45 by root 3, same thing, isn't it? So root 3, BC into 1 is BC equals to 45 into 1 is 45 by root 3. So we rationalize this, multiplying and dividing by root 3 in the numerator and denominator as well. 45 into root 3 is 45 root 3. For root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 15 is 45, or BC equals to this 15 I write here, root 3 means 1.732, or BC equals to 15 2 is 30, 15 3 is 45, 45 plus 3 is 48, 4 in hand, 15 7 is 105, isn't it? 105 plus 4 is 109, so 10 in hand, 15 1 is 15 plus 10 is 25. So we put decimal point before 3 digit, or BC equals to 25.98 meters. So length of the shadow of the tower when sun's altitude 45 degree is 25.98 meters. Okay, now let us do the next question, that is B, when the angle of elevation or when the sun's altitude is 60 degree. Tan of angle ACB is AB by BC, same thing. Tan instead of ACB we write 60 degree. Okay, so tan 60, the value of tan 60 is, this remains as it is here, 45 by root 3 upon BC. BC is the shadow, so the value of tan 60 is root 3, so BC comes here, root 3 goes down to the denominator. Now let me erase this, cross multiplication, or BC comes here, BC equals to 45 ones are 45 in the denominator, root 3 into root 3, root 3 into root 3, that is 3. Okay, or BC equals to 3 ones are 3, 3 15s are 45, 15 meter. Therefore length of the shadow of the tower, is 15 meter when the sun's altitude is 60 degree. Okay, this is second case, this is B, when the sun's altitude is 60 degree, length of the shadow of the tower is 15 meter. I hope you got this. Now let us do question number 10. Okay, now let us do question number 10. Two vertical poles are on either side of the road. A 30-meter ladder is placed between the two poles. When the ladder rests against one pole, it makes angle 32 degree 24 minute with the pole, and when it is turned to rest against another pole, it makes angle 32 degree 24 minute with the road. Calculate the width of the road. Okay, so this is one of the simplest question. Let us do this. So these two are the poles on either side of the road. There is a road in between the two poles. Okay, there is a road in between these two poles. So this is the width of the road. Distance between the two poles is the width of the road. Okay, so from this point to this point is the width of the road. A ladder is placed in such a way from the middle of the road, not exactly the middle, we don't know where the ladder is, but somewhere in between the two poles. Okay, and when the ladder rests on the first pole, the angle the ladder makes with the pole is 32 degree 24 minute. This angle is 32 degree 24 minute. Okay, when the ladder rests with the first pole, this is the first pole, this is the first pole. When the ladder rests with the first pole, the angle the ladder makes with the first pole is 32 degree 24 minute. Now when the ladder is just taken and it is rested on the other pole, the other side of the road, okay, when the ladder is taken and it is rested on the other side of the pole, okay, other pole, the angle the ladder makes with the ground is the same, 32 degree 24 minute, 32 degree 24 minute. And the given condition is the length of the ladder is 30 meter. What is the length of the ladder? 30 meter. This is the ladder and this is also the same ladder, isn't it? So this is also 30 meter. So we are asked to find the width of the road. Suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E. We are asked to find BD. BD means the width of the road. BD, isn't it? BD means the width of the road. BD equals to BC plus CD, isn't it? If you add BC and CD, BC plus CD, you get BD, total distance. BC plus CD is BD, and BD is the width of the road, isn't it? So we are asked to find BD. BD means BC plus CD. Okay, so I hope you got this. There is a ladder and the length of the ladder is 30 meter. Since length of the ladder equals to 30 meter, this is the given condition, and we are asked to find the width of the road. So let us start from triangle ABC. Okay, in triangle ABC, we have BC, okay, and AC. AC is the height of the AC is the length of the ladder, okay, and this angle is given to us, BAC. This angle is given to us, angle BAC, because the ladder makes angle with the pole. Okay, in the first case the ladder makes angle with the pole. In the second case, this is the second pole. Second case, the ladder makes angle with the ground. We must note this. BAC, angle A should lie in the middle. BAC is how much? 32 degree 24 minute. Now this is minute. Okay, now we need to find BC, isn't it? So hypotenuse is known to us, AC is 30, and BC we are asked to find. So angle is known to us, we apply sine theta, isn't it? Since sine of angle BAC equals to perpendicular, when we talk about this angle, perpendicular becomes this, isn't it? When we talk about this angle, perpendicular becomes AB. Okay, when we talk about this angle, perpendicular becomes this, but when we talk about this angle, perpendicular becomes BC. Perpendicular BC by hypotenuse AC, isn't it? Hypotenuse remains fixed, but perpendicular changes depending upon the angle which you are talking about. If you talk about this angle, this becomes perpendicular, AB becomes base. But if you talk about angle this becomes base and this becomes perpendicular. Okay, but hypotenuse is always AC. Hypotenuse is the longest side. Or sine of angle BAC is given to us 32 degree 24 minute equals to BC, unknown to us, AC, length of the ladder, that is 30, AC is 30, isn't it? AC is length of the ladder is 30. So we write the value of sine 32 degree 24 minute. But we don't know the value of sine 32 degree 24 minute, so we need to look at page number 450, the values of natural sines. Okay, don't worry, this trigonometric table will be provided to you. So sine 32 degree 24 minutes means sine, natural sine 32 degree, we see 32 degree, and here 24 minute. So straight away 32 degree 24 minute. this is 24 minute, this is 32 degree, 32 degree, where the two lines meet, 32 and 24, straight away we come down, 5358, 32, we catch the line 32 and move horizontally, and we catch the line 24 minute, we move vertically down, and the point where it meets is 5358, 5358, isn't it? So 5358 means the value of sine 32 degree 24 minute means 0.5358, okay, BC upon 30. Now we multiply this, so BC equals to 3 8s are 24, 3 5s are 15, 16, 17, 3 3s are 9, 10, 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16. Now we have 0 here, so we must put this 0 as well. So now we put decimal point before 4 digit, isn't it? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. This means BC equals to 16.074. okay, this 0 has no value, so we don't write that. BC, we found BC. Now we will find CD, and after that we will add up BC plus CD to get BD, width of the road. Okay, again in triangle ECD, okay, this triangle ECD, so we are to find CD and hypotenuse is given to us. We don't need perpendicular. So when we talk about this angle, this angle is given to us 32 degree 24 minute. This ED becomes perpendicular, this becomes base, hypotenuse is always C, isn't it? So we have base and hypotenuse, we don't need perpendicular, isn't it? So we apply cos theta. Okay, angle ECD is given to us, ECD equals to 32 degree 24 minute, and CE is given to us, CE or EC, same thing, CE is given to us 30 meter. Okay, now we apply cos theta. Okay, since cos of angle, why we are applying cos theta? Because we need base and we have hypotenuse, isn't it? We don't need perpendicular, and perpendicular is not given to us, so we apply cos theta. Okay, we don't apply sin theta here. Cos of angle ECD equals to cos theta, means cos curly brown hair, isn't it? Base upon hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? CE or EC. Or cos of angle ECD is 32 degree 24 minute. CD is not given to us, we are asked to find this. CD upon C is given to us 30. So cos of angle, cos 32 degree 24 minute means, now we will see the cosines. Okay, sines and cosines. In cosines trigonometry table, you see 32 degree 24 minute. You just move horizontally from 32 degree towards right hand side. Okay, and from 24 minute you move vertically downwards. The point where you meet is the value 8443, isn't it? 8443. I hope you can see in your book 8443. This means 0.8443. 0.8443, okay, equals to CD upon 30, or CD equals to, we multiply this, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 2 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, 1 in hand, 3 8s are 24 plus 1 is 25, isn't it? Now we put this 0, this 0 comes here because 30, isn't it? There is 0 also. Now we put decimal point before 4 digit, because there is a decimal point before 4 digit. 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. This means CD equals to 25.329 meter. So we found CD, we found BC. So width of the road equals to BD, isn't it? Therefore width of the road equals to BD. BD means BC plus CD. So what is BC? BC is 16.074. BC means 16.074 plus CD means 25.329. 25.329. Now let us add up 16.074 plus 25.329. Let us add up. 9 plus 4 13, 3, 1 hand. 7 plus 2 9, plus 1 is 10, 3 plus 1 is 4, comes here. 6 plus 5 11, 2 plus 1 3, 4. 41.403. This is 41.403, isn't it? So this is 41.403 meters. But we usually don't write 03 because this is so small, isn't it? So we write 41.4 meters. But if you write correct to 3 decimal places, then 41.403. Okay, the exact value is 41.403 meters. Width of the road. I hope you got this. Okay, this was for today. Thank you so much. I'll continue the rest of the questions in the next video. Okay, thank you.